Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today we have a really fun product that I'm excited to try out because if you can't tell, I'm about to blend in with my white vanity behind me. I am so pasty pale. So I am definitely hoping that this product works. As you can tell from the title, we are working with the Tarte. My dog is snoring very loud. Okay, take two. As you can tell from the title of this video, we're working with the Tarte 2-Hour Express Brazilliance Self Tanner. Now, I'm a big fan of self tanning because obviously you don't have to get that exposure in the sun, getting those harmful UV ray lights. Now, a natural tan is always bomb. You always feel your best. It lasts forever. You don't have to worry about it fading in the shower. But for the winter months, for those months where you are not getting any sun, this is a necessity. So I have never used this before. I have only used, if you've watched tanning videos that I've done in the past, the Kula Sculpting Mousse Self Tanner that I absolutely love. I swear by the Sculpting Mousse from Kula. So I am kind of going to compare this to that. Obviously, there's more than one good tanner out there. So if I end up liking them the same, if I end up loving them both, if I end up hating this one, I just want to let y'all know that's kind of what I'm going to compare this self tanner to. And luckily for y'all, I am like insanely pale right now. So it's going to be pretty easy to see if this self tanner works or not because we got a very white canvas to be working with right now. So I am already exfoliated. I've showered. My hair's a little damp if y'all can't tell already. Friendly note, if you are totally new to self tanning, you do want to shower and exfoliate. Shave if you have to, get waxed, do whatever you need to do to make sure your freshest layer of skin is the top layer of skin on your body. That way your skin is nice and prepped for a self tanner. So all of that is done with me. I am ready to go ahead and put this on. So if you're ready to see how this works, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. I test and review and try skincare and beauty and tanning stuff all the time, so definitely hit that subscribe button to tune into my other videos. Now let's hope we get tan. Okay, so I should probably go change so that y'all can actually see my arms because right now y'all can't see anything. One moment, please. All right, much better. Y'all can actually see my skin. I'm gonna be doing my upper body on camera here with y'all. Obviously you won't really be able to see like my stomachs or legs in this video, so I'm just gonna do that off camera, but it's gonna be the same as what I do with my arms. And one thing I did want to note with this is that it doesn't really explain or give you the option or say this is meant for your face. So I'm not going to use this on my face because I have made the mistake before in putting like a bronzer or a tanner that doesn't really say for the face on my face, and it made me break out really, really badly. And I have a face self tanner that I love that I will share with y'all at the end of the video if you're interested. But I really just want to focus on this since that's what the video is about. So let's just go ahead and put it on. You can apply this with a mitt. It actually suggests that you do. Pretty much all mousses suggest that you do. But I don't know why, I feel like it absorbs better in my skin when I just apply it with my hand. So that's how I'm gonna do it in this video. By all means, do whatever works for you if you are not new to self-tanning and you like a mitt. But friendly little note, if you are gonna use your hands, as soon as you finish doing your whole body and self-tanning yourself, go wash your hands. Otherwise, the palms of your hands will be an orange hot mess. So we do not want that. Friendly reminder if you are going to use your hands. Okay, so I'm going to link this product down below, so if you want to know any of the details, I think this is like $35, but any of the details of the ingredients, y'all can click on it and check it out and read more about it from the Tarte website. But I really just want to see if it works in this video. So this is a 2-hour express, so I should see my tan complete in 2 hours. So basically after this video, I'm going to go do my hair and makeup and I don't know, do the dishes or something. Just take 2 hours off, come back and see what my skin looks like in 2 hours and share that with y'all. So let's go ahead and just get to tanning. Holy smokes, this is dark. Okay, so this is like instantly dark. Y'all just saw me put it on. Look at like the difference in my arms already. That was like instant put on. Okay, let's continue. This tanner makes me nervous. I feel like I have to rub it in really fast so it's not streaky because it goes on the skin really dark, like a lot darker than I expected. All right, I went ahead and rolled my straps down. No, I'm not naked. Just so y'all could see me apply up here, and then I'll go to the rest of my body. Holy smokes, this is dark. Okay, I literally just applied this. Look at the difference from my face to my body. Like, that's a noticeable difference, and it's just gonna keep getting darker for the next 2 hours. Look at my hands, guys. They're like really dark. They look way darker in person, I feel like, than the camera is appearing them to look. So I'm gonna go finish doing the rest of my body and then wash these bad boys off fast, and I will see y'all in 2 hours. Oh wait, real fast, one thing I wanted to let y'all know, because I'm gonna have my makeup and my hair done in the next slide. For my face, I'm gonna use my Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum by Kula. This is like the best face tanner ever because it's also a serum. So it has hyaluronic acid in it, vitamin C in it, argan oil in it, like so many good things for your skin, and it's a self tanner at the same time. Most face tanners are just tanners. So you can just use this every single day as like your normal serum, and it also gives you a nice tan glow. So this is what I'm going to use on my face, and I will link this down below in the description box as well. All right, see y'all in 2 hours and wish me luck. Okay guys, we are back. It's been a little over 2 hours. As y'all can tell, I look like a different person. Literally got the face beat on, did the hair, and I am pretty dark. Like, I don't know if y'all can see me that well with my hair, that will help, but look at how dark I am. I mean, just rewind a couple seconds to see the, you know, me from 2.5 hours ago. I was really light, and this tanned me up like that. So I'm really shocked that it actually worked. This is a 2-hour express tan, and I feel like it's probably going to continue to get darker throughout the day. As I mentioned, I showered and exfoliated before the video, so I'm not going to shower until tomorrow. So this is going to have a whole 24 hours to deepen and get even darker. One thing I want to note though is that if you are not an experienced tanner, I would just let y'all know to be mindful of this tanner because this dries so quick. I mean, so quick. It says on the bottle to wait 2 minutes before you put clothing on because that is the only amount of time it needs to dry. So I usually, like when I would use my Kula, which by the way, this is the Kula one that I love using, I would put like a pump on my thigh and a pump on my shin, rub the thigh in, and then rub the shin in. This, I did this with, and I have a big dark dot on the front of my shin now because I let it sit there for too long and it tanned up that one little patch of my shin quicker than the rest of my leg. So I am really dark, guys, like really dark. This stuff 100% works. I would totally suggest it if you are needing a quick kind of tan. If you've tried other self tanners before and you kind of get the game, you'll love this. It's so easy, it's so quick. It's very, very dark as well. So I don't know exactly how it's gonna wear, you know, through time, like if it's gonna wash off right immediately or anything like that. But this is like, if you don't blend it in, it'll be strokey. So you do need to be a little bit more mindful of that, and you need to blend more with this. This is like, you don't even have to think about it. It goes on so easily. It goes on clear, so you can't really actually even tell like where you're putting it. And it's a gradual tan, and it's not as uneven. Like if you missed a spot, you won't even hardly notice. Like this is an easy tanner. It's not as dark of a tan though, that is for sure. So if you are needing to get a quick dark tan, Tarte 100% over the Kula one. If you're wanting an easier tan that's gradual, that's a little bit more mess free, Cool Off Tan 100%. Another thing I wanted to note with this is that I went to wash my hands immediately, which I'm gonna insert a photo right here of my hand once I finished my whole body. It is crazy, y'all. My hands were like black when I finished doing my whole body. I was so worried it wouldn't come off. And when I went to the bathroom to wash my hands really fast and get as much as I could off, it didn't all come off. So my hands are a little dark and they're gonna continue to get darker. So that's just part of the trial and error part when you're trying a new product. I am going to try next time to apply this with a mitt just for that reason. I think the tan is applied perfectly. There's no streaks. It looks fantastic, but just to eliminate my hands being dark. Oh, y'all can see them. Look at that. They're dark. They're not natural palm of your hand color. So to avoid that, I would suggest a mitt. Yeah, because you don't want unnaturally dark palms of your hand. And also, if water touches your tan, it's over. I have a couple of splash marks on my forearm that I did not mean to get on there, but just when I was going like this in the sink, a couple of little drops splashed onto my forearm. And now, I don't know if y'all can kind of see it. You can't really see it here, but this is gonna continue to get darker and I have like very unnatural looking little splotch marks right here. And I'm not used to my self tanners being that sensitive to water. So just wanted to let y'all know as well, when you are washing your hands after using this, stand away from the sink and make sure your faucet is not on like full blast mode water where it can splash. Just like gentle water and gentle scrubbing so that it doesn't get anywhere other than just your hands exactly where you want it to be. So that is my suggestions after using this one time. Overall though, this is a really good tanner, like solid tanner. I'm super duper dark and y'all saw me when I started the video. I was super duper not dark. I was really pale. I haven't seen the sun since September and I'm currently filming this at the end of January. So like basically 4 months. So my skin was like its whitest white form that it naturally comes in, and it's still really cold here in LA, so there's no way I'm gonna get natural sunlight anytime soon. And I'm very, very, very happy with my skin. My husband is gonna like freak out tonight when he sees me because I look like 10 shades darker. Like, and I'm just gonna continue to get darker, y'all. I mean, do y'all, let me know in the comments below if you agree. I feel like alive again. This is actually like my natural color in the sun because since I'm Mexican, I tan right up. But I also lose my tan like that. So anyways, I feel great. Very happy with this. I feel like I'm just rambling now, but I will link this below. I also use my Cool Off Face Serum like I mentioned before. So it's a great face tanner. It looks nice and even and blends right in with the Tarte 2-hour tanner. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you are interested in the Tarte 2-hour Express Brazilliance Self Tanner, I'm very happy with my results. Just keep in mind those little things I mentioned if you are using this for the very first time, but I am very happy with my tan and will definitely be repurchasing this again. So I hope you have a fantastic day. Make sure to leave me a comment in the description box below, letting me know what kind of videos you want to see more of, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!